Hey everyone, I'm Lonnie Quinn. Well, Almanac shows us the high temperature on this day was 69 degrees. Your average is 72, so that's 3 degrees above the average. The record 91 in 2017 and 40 in 1963. We didn't touch either of those. Taking a look at what the skies are serving up, and boy, they are serving up some clouds. Okay, a cloudy day. We are going to watch some wet weather get into the area after midnight. You see it here making its push through Pennsylvania, a little bit even nipping around portions of southern New Jersey. We're going to see the rain as you go into your day tomorrow, so expect it to start up sometime during the overnight hours. Poor timing for the morning commute. I do think it's going to be a wet weather one for you. Totals, I think for the most part, it's in a half an inch to an inch for many folks. Some of you could be seeing that 1 to 2 inch range as well. And then by Wednesday, you're not done with wet weather. I think it's going to be a little bit more sort of spread out during the day. It's not going to be as widespread, but some of the storms could even be stronger on Wednesday, although they'll be more limited, could be stronger. So much so the National Weather Service has said come Wednesday into Wednesday night, there's a slight risk for our area to experience severe weather. That would be heavy rain, the chance for damaging winds, and small hail. What's taking place out there tonight, all along our coast from, say, Monmouth County down to Ocean County up into Middlesex County, coastal flood advisory is in effect for minor flooding. This is all because of a real persistent easterly wind coming in right off the water, so the high tide cycles can tend to be problematic. What's going on? Let's put it into motion here on the computers. This is the Futurecast. So we get into your late night hours after midnight, say 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. The rain has moved in. Again, the greens, really light rain. You look for the yellow showing you the moderate rain. Little specks of orange would be heavier rain. A red is a real heavy downpour. By 8 o'clock in the morning, you're in your morning commute, and you can notice south of New York City, I don't think it's going to be as wet as it will be from New York City and points north, but it could go anywhere in terms of the wet weather. Everyone has a chance for rain, especially during the morning commute. By 5 o'clock in the afternoon, now you start to see some reds flashing up on the screen. And I think it's very possible that cell I'm showing you right there could maybe be like right about there. Put it onto maybe the east end of Long Island, and there's more activity behind it as well, but it starts to become a little bit more sparse. Now you go into Wednesday. I told you before it's not as widespread for Wednesday. Well, how's this for a picture? 1:30 in the afternoon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, there's a little bit of activity out there. You're going to pay closer attention on Wednesday to Wednesday night when the front comes through the area, and watch this. Okay, you see that little flare-up of red? The red, as I told you before, that's the real heavy downpour, and that's why we think some of this weather on Wednesday night, this is 11 p.m., could be on the severe side. So how much rain do we pick up? It looks like the European model is saying anybody in our area sees anywhere from 1 to around 2 inches of rain. That's pretty widespread for the area. The extended forecast over the next 7 days shows you a wet weather day for Tuesday at 73. Wednesday, yeah, there's some storms that will come through the area, but before you get that, you'll hit about 81 degrees. Cloud cover, sure. Then the front comes through with some stronger storms, and then Thursday, you're into the cooler air behind that. About 72 on Thursday, less humid. I think the clouds are going to persist more than any of the rain. And then you get to Friday. Friday night, there's going to be a chance for some wet weather, about 73. Saturday and Sunday, I think there's a slight chance maybe Saturday morning, but for the most part, right now, and this is subject to change, the weekend looks pretty good. Keep it right here for updates, or watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.